Skoda is getting ready to reveal the Slavia subcompact sedan for the Indian market that will replace the aging Rapid. Following the initial announcement and a preview of a camouflaged prototype, the company published 2 sketches of the car hinting at restrained, but fairly modern notchback looks. As usual, designers tend to use oversized rims and stretch the proportions of cars in their sketches, especially in those used to showcase a design. Thus, the Slavia looks aggressively longer, lower, and wider than what it really is, with clever use of lighting and shadows bringing more drama. However, having seen pictures of camouflaged prototypes, we know that the Slavia has a sculpted front bumper with a face looking similar to the Fabia, and a profile sharing similar cues with the VW Virtus. The rear end though is pretty unique, with the LED taillights and the integrated spoiler lips sending Audi A4 vibes. The designers are referring to a coupe-style silhouette thanks to the sloping roofline. As you might expect, the Slavia will be smaller than the Octavia and the Superb. More specifically, it will measure 4,541 mm, 178 inches, long, 1,752 mm, 68.9 inches, wide, 1,487 mm, 58.5 inches, tall, with a 2,651 mm, 104.3-inch, wheelbase. This makes it slightly longer than the aforementioned VW Virtus, which measures 4,482 mm, 176.5 inches, in length. We already know that the Slavia will be based on the MQB-A0iN platform exclusively developed by Skoda for the Indian market, with 95% of its components sourced locally. The engine range will include the 1.0 TSI, 3-cylinder producing 113 horsepower mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, and the more powerful 1.5 TSI 4-cylinder producing 148 horsepower that will be optionally offered with the 7-speed DSG. Skoda has confirmed the official debut of the Slavia will take place before the end of November. This will be the second model from the India 2.0 project following the Skoda Kodiaq SUV. Both models will be produced in Pune, in